Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we have our unboxing for the Galaxy S10 Plus. I finally got this device after going unpacked. Didn't get it there, but we got it now. And we have the Galaxy S10 Plus, the blue version. Now this is only the 128 gig model. The reason why I got the 128 gig model was because of the fact that I'm gonna also buy the Galaxy Fold, so I didn't really see a reason to get a 12 gig of RAM version and terabyte storage when I already had the Fold coming. So for that reason, got the 128, so all the benchmarks, everything we do for this phone will be based on this version for the S10, just letting you know now, which is still 8 gigs of RAM, so it's not too shabby. This is the T-Mobile variant as well. That's the version that I'm unboxing here. I decided to go with this one versus the international one, or unlocked rather, just because of the fact that this one seems to get updates better when it's the T-Mobile version instead of the regular one. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. Now this is the blue phone as well. So I like how Samsung is doing this little trick thing now where basically all of the paperwork is in this side and the phone stuff is all on that side. So I think that's kind of interesting. And then here it is. Wow, I love the fact that it does not have even the sticker of the serial number or anything like that. So this is different from the ones we saw at Unpacked, because the one that we had at Unpacked did not even have the S10 Plus, it just had Samsung on it. I like that a little bit better actually. It was a lot cleaner looking, but this isn't bad by any stretch of the imagination. And man, that blue is just nice. All right, really like that. And so it does come with a screen protector built into it. This is a T-Mobile version, so all US carriers, from what I hear, are getting this one. However, this is a plastic screen protector, so I already don't like the feel of it too much. If you do want, I'll leave a link in the description down below, a glass screen protector. This Whitestone dome glass is what we're going to be putting on it. So I'm going to be taking this one off and putting this one on here. And I'll have an installation video and show you guys how to do it. But that's the only glass screen protector that you can use with the fingerprint scanner. So big up to that. But yeah, and you can already see though, it's getting some fingerprints on it. So overall, let's go ahead and start turning that on. And let's see what comes with it. So we have the AKG headphones, because yes, this still has a headphone jack. You have the Type-C cable right in there. Kind of want to always keep things the way they are. These I always love because like every bag I have like 4 tech bags. Each bag has one of these headphones. So I always just love getting these headphones because they're so useful. So these I will take out because I will be using that.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through
this. It's Bigsby, guys. It's Bigsby. You have the adapter. So no, let me check in here. I don't think we have the Type-C to micro USB anymore. We didn't have that on the Note. I was one of the only reviewers that pointed that out, like on the unboxing, was like, hey, they took that away. And I don't think it's here anymore. So yeah, I don't think, let's see it. I don't think it would be in here. This should be all the paperwork, but I do not think you get that anymore. It looks like you do not get that little adapter. Nope, this is all paperwork. So yeah, this device includes a pre-installed screen protector. If you remove it, you want to use a different screen protector, make sure you allow for use of all touchscreen features, including the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So they're basically letting you know, hey, most screen protectors will not work with that ultra fingerprint scanner. The Whitestone dome glass is one of the only ones that does, and I cannot wait to put it on there. Had it on my Note 9 the entire time, so definitely will put it on this one. But yeah, so let me set it up. I'm just gonna do a basic setup for now, and then I will go through it a little bit and show you guys what I think. All right, guys, so I have set it up, played around with it a little bit. Definitely liking a lot of stuff. Of course, we had to throw the best lock screen ever on here. And by the way, if you finally want this lock screen, I promise by the time we do the review, I will allow people to get this lock screen. I'm gonna find a way to get it to all of you guys, so make sure to subscribe to find out how. And yeah, so I will say that I still have to play around with the fingerprint unlock because sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, so I'm kind of still messing around with it. I got my Bender wallpaper on. I did post on Twitter, like where you can find all of these. I'll post it on the link in the description too, where you want all the best ones. So if you want to basically have lock screen wallpapers, and some of them are for the regular one as well, the 10 and 10E, but you can see how they just fit in perfectly with all of these different ones. So yeah, a lot of different styles that you can go with. I definitely like the original one the best. It's just so clean. Black wallpaper saves you battery life. So yeah, it's just awesome in that aspect. Definitely some things I have to tweak a little bit, some things that are annoying on here. So make sure to stay tuned for how to speed up the phone, because I already did some of those things because it was just too slow. And there are a lot of things to how to speed up the phone, how to get better battery life. So make sure to check out all those videos, and how to improve the photo quality, because I will tell you out of the box, there's a lot of different choices you can make with the photo and video quality that you do want to correct. All right, guys, thank you as always. Make sure you check out all of our coverage on the Galaxy S10, as we will have the most coverage on YouTube by the end of next week. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.